In Creo Parametric 13, there is a nice user experience enhancement for retrieving models. Here I am in Creo 13. I've set my working directory. Now it's time to open up the model that I want. I will click on the Open button. And here I am in the folder, and I can tell by the scroll bar that there are lots of different files. Well, I want to open up the top-level assembly. I will try filtering down to assemblies, but still there are a lot of assemblies in here. There is now a filter for displaying top-level assemblies only. I will click on it. It gathers some data, and here is the top-level assembly called Top Dog for some reason. Let me click on the Open button. And here we have the top-level assembly.